In this video, I'm going to show you my 5-step process for the ultimate Facebook group hack. I've used this exact method for launching products and running successful Facebook competitions. I'm Mark Thompson, founder of EasyTune, the place where startups turn for affordable and effective social media. And today you're going to learn how to take over a Facebook group. Step 1. Find groups that are relevant to your niche. The best way of doing this is in the Facebook search bar. Once you've found the group, click Join. Step 2. Quality control. Make sure the group you're looking at has good frequency of posts and really good engagement. Step 3. Contacting the admin. Once you've found the admin, click on their profile and send them a message. You might even find that in the description they have an email address. In your message to the admin, you're going to offer £50 for a pinned post for 1 week. The prices in each group vary, but typically £50 is a great starting point. Step 4. Once the admin's pinned your post, you want to make sure you're replying to every single comment on that thread. Step 5. Invite every person that's engaged with that pinned post to like your page. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit subscribe for daily growth hack videos for startups. Now I want to turn it over to you. Let me know in the comments which groups you're going to approach.